Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your homepage in HubSpot CRM. Customizing your dashboard is essential for creating a workspace that displays the metrics and tools most relevant to your daily tasks, making your workflow more efficient and focused. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you directly into your CRM environment where all your customer data and tools are housed. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard screen. This is your command center where all your key information is displayed. Now look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Customize. This is the gateway to personalizing your dashboard layout to match your specific needs and preferences. Next, click on the gear icon next to the Customize option. This action opens up the customization interface, giving you full control over how your dashboard is structured. Think of this as the design mode for your homepage, where you can rearrange everything to suit your workflow. Once you're in customization mode, you'll see that you can drag and drop elements to rearrange the layout of your dashboard. This flexibility is incredibly useful because it means you can position your most used widgets exactly where you want them. Click the drop-down arrow on each menu to explore the available attributes and descriptions. This helps you understand what each widget does and how it can benefit your daily operations. Taking a moment to review these options ensures you're making informed decisions about what stays and what goes. Now go ahead and rearrange the widgets based on your desired layout. Drag them around until you find a configuration that makes sense for how you work. It's worth noting that only widgets with actual content will be shown in these options, so you won't be cluttered with empty or irrelevant modules. This keeps your dashboard clean and purposeful. Once you're satisfied with your new layout, click Save. This locks in your changes and your customized homepage is now ready to use. Your dashboard will now display the information that matters most to you right where you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.